How does the CSI effect impact testimonial evidence? Imagine watching a crime show and seeing a perfect fingerprint match or a clear DNA result. Now picture a real courtroom where things are often less tidy. The way TV shows portray forensic evidence influences how jurors see actual evidence in court. This is called the CSI effect. It changes how people judge testimonial evidence like witness statements or expert opinions. Jurors who watch a lot of forensic crime shows tend to think that scientific evidence is always necessary to prove guilt. They might believe that eyewitness accounts or expert witness statements are not enough on their own. This can make them less trusting of testimonial evidence if it isn't backed by forensic proof. For example, a witness might give a clear story, but jurors might dismiss it if there is no scientific evidence to support it. In court, testimonial evidence includes what witnesses say under oath. This can be eyewitnesses describing what they saw or experts explaining technical details. Traditionally, this kind of evidence is very important to establish facts and support legal arguments. But because of the CSI effect, jurors now see forensic evidence as more trustworthy and objective. They might think that testimonial evidence is less reliable unless it is supported by scientific proof. This shift creates challenges for lawyers and judges. Prosecutors might feel pressured to present forensic evidence even if it is not necessary or available. They worry that jurors will ignore strong witness testimony without scientific backing. Defense attorneys, on the other hand, can use this bias to argue that the absence of forensic evidence means the case is weak. Courts have responded by changing procedures. They now ask jurors questions during selection to see if they are influenced by crime shows. Judges also give instructions to explain the limits of forensic and testimonial evidence. Sometimes, multimedia tools are used to show how forensic evidence is collected and analyzed. These efforts help jurors understand that testimonial evidence can be just as important as scientific proof. Overall, the CSI effect raises the expectation that scientific evidence is needed to convict someone. This can make testimonial evidence seem less convincing and complicate how cases are argued. Courtroom actors have to adapt their strategies to ensure jurors evaluate all evidence fairly and realistically.